In this video, we are going to be looking at some of the best core affiliate marketing tools and software solutions that can make your life as an affiliate marketer just starting out really easy. Hi there, I'm Winston the Solopreneur Warrior, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through some of the best affiliate marketing tools I've been using. Now, if you want to be successful with your affiliate marketing venture, you have to invest at least a little in your marketing strategies. So, although some of the tools I'll be sharing with you will be free, others will be monthly paid tools. Having said that, if you keep watching this video to the end, I'll also be introducing you to a platform where you can get all the tools for a low one-time fee. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in making money on the site as a solopreneur affiliate marketer, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Now, if you're thinking of ditching your day job to take the affiliate marketing route, you want to make sure that you have the top affiliate marketing tools at your disposal. Now, if you are not familiar with what affiliate marketing is, well, affiliate marketing enables people like you and I to make money online by promoting other companies, products, or services. Let's now start by reviewing some of the top affiliate marketing tools. The first is going to be the marketplaces for affiliate marketers just starting out. Now, there are many different affiliate marketplaces online, but there are a few that I've personally used. For example, I got started with ClickBank. Now, ClickBank is one of the most popular platforms with its own affiliate marketplace. So, if you are looking for an affiliate marketplace with a reliable payout history, ClickBank would be a good opportunity. You can use ClickBank to find top performing products to promote and learn how to make money online with their free courses in performance marketing. Plus, it's free to join ClickBank, by the way. Second affiliate marketing tool is going to be a mailing list tool. Now, there is no way you are going to do any serious affiliate marketing without a mailing list tool. You of course need a tool to collect the emails of your potential customer to consistently remind them of the products you are promoting. Personally, I'm using MailerLite, which is also free to get started. You can actually build a list of 1,000 subscribers before you start paying any dime for using the tool. Now, I've already created a set of videos on how to use MailerLite. You'll find it in the link that pops up on the top right of this video. The next affiliate marketing tool is going to be a landing page builder. Now, one of the main steps of effectively making money with affiliate marketing is pre-selling your targeted audience, and one of the best ways of doing that is by creating a landing page. Examples of landing pages can be a web page promoting Amazon products. It might be a page designed specifically to promote a single product, or a page that captures people's email address. Now, whatever the case, you first need to have a hosting account. Of course, a hosting account is also another affiliate marketing tool. Now, personally, I use A2 hosting simply because it has a great support team that literally takes all the techie stuff of hosting my website away. Now, the A2 hosting service, however, is a monthly paid service. Now, another thing you need when creating your landing page apart from your hosting service will be a landing page builder. You have to understand here that most content management systems like WordPress comes with pre-made themes. So if you want to create a page like a capture page, you definitely need to have a page builder. Personally, I use the Thrive Architect Page Builder. It's a drag and drop page builder that comes with pre-made templates that you can edit to match whatever page design you want. Now, usually page builder softwares online come with a monthly fee, but with the Thrive Architect Page Builder, which by the way is a WordPress plugin, you could pay a one-time fee and use it to do the same thing like the monthly paid page builder services. I'll be dropping the link to the Thrive Architect WordPress plugin below this video if you are interested. Now, there are many other affiliate marketing tools for beginners, but these are the core tools that you will need to get started. Now, in order to help some affiliate marketers just starting out on a budget, some smart affiliate marketers came up with a ProfitSuit platform, which is a platform that will provide all the necessary tools that you will need to get started as an affiliate marketer with a one-time low payment. Now, ProfitSuit is the first cloud web-based solution with built-in cloud storage, autoresponder, webinar platforms, funnel creation, and graphic designs for a one-time fee and zero restrictions. So, with the ProfitSuit platform, you will not have the burden of budgeting for the other services every month. Now, before I show you the demo video of how the ProfitSuit platform works, I'll first like to show you a bonus page I've put together if you pick ProfitSuit through my link below this video. The bonuses on this page actually complements ProfitSuit in many different ways, as you're going to see. The first bonus you'll be getting for free is a vidlog premium WordPress plugin. You can install the plugin on your WordPress site on ProfitSuit and start collecting emails directly from within your videos. The Vidlog Premium WordPress plugin allows you to capture leads and make more sales by locking the video until visitors perform a certain action. You'll also be getting the VidConnect bonus for free, which will help you curate and monetize videos on autopilot so that you always have fresh, high converting and easy to run content on your website. The next bonus you'll be getting for free is Video Strike. Now, Video Strike is a powerful Dex app which helps you create presentations for your videos or webinars. And finally, you'll also be getting VidPix, which will allow you to place buy buttons, opt-in forms, and even videos on top of your images. Now, in addition to all these bonuses, you'll also be getting all the bonuses the vendors of ProfitSuit has to offer. So after watching the ProfitSuit demo clip, if you think it's something you would like to try out, then click on the first link below this video and that will lead you to this bonus page. On this bonus page, you want to click on any of these orange buttons and that will take you to the ProfitSuit sales page. And when you make a purchase, you'll find the bonuses I promised you on this page by clicking on the blue button below the product access button. Now, just check out how you can start using ProfitSuit to make money as an affiliate on a budget.
This is a short demo video, so I'm going to go through all of our products included in this bundle, going to explain all of them and show some of their features. First up, we have ProfitSuit Design. Let's just go into it. So it leads us to this page right here. ProfitSuit Design allows you to edit any type of photo. It's sort of a Photoshop in the cloud, if you will. I've already uploaded the photo, so let's just quickly open our photo editor and have a look. So from the very get-go, we can see that we can customize the image however we want. We can change its background color. This is nicer. We can round its corners, resize, rotate. We can add text, and as you can see at the very bottom here, we have a lot of text fonts. And this is not all. We also have display, sans serif, and so much more. We can draw, so we can just pick a brush. We can just start drawing right over our logo or design. Filters, you have a bunch of filters you can choose from, depending on how you want your own picture or your logo to look. Shapes, a bunch of different shapes. We can go for circles, rectangles, triangles, and anything in between. Stickers, a lot of fun stickers you can put over your logo. You can even make a logo out of this one. You just put it here, put down a text somewhere, and there you have it. And you can also upload more pictures onto this image. Say if you want to merge a couple of photos, like merge a couple of logos, you can do that. Furthermore, after clicking save and exiting back to our dashboard, you can even create a shareable link, which you can embed either in your website, or you can do a forum embed. You can share this with other people. You don't have to download it, upload it to your WordPress, and go through all of those complicated schematics. This is ProfitSuit Design. Let's quickly go back and check out the others. We're back here. Next up, we have ProfitSuit Contact, a seamless autoresponder. Let's just quickly go through it. ProfitSuit Contact acts like an autoresponder, say GetResponse if you will. You need your own sending server, so you just integrate a sending server, say you serve your own SMTP server, you have a mailgun, and can blast out thousands of emails to your subscribers. You don't have any kind of limit in Profit. You can have templates, you can have unlimited lists, automations, campaigns, and do as much as possible with an autoresponder. You can see here I've done a very quick test campaign with 1000 fake email addresses. You can see all of the statistics for your campaigns, either for the one you've already sent or for any campaigns that you've sent in the past. You can see an overall open rate, click rate, and so much more. Top countries by opens. You can see Romania. I opened my email. The list growth and so much more valuable information that can help you in bettering your own list. This has been ProfitSuit Contact. Let's just go back and see what's up next. Next up, we have ProfitSuit Webinars. It allows you to create webinars, but not only that, it allows you to create meetings, video conferences with your friends, family, or even with your business partners. And this is so important for ProfitSuit Webinars. It's not just webinars. Let's just quickly see what I mean. This is the main dashboard of ProfitSuit Webinar. Now we can do a bunch of things here. Let's just go and see all of the meeting types. So we just go to create an instant meeting, start meeting, and we can see a bunch of different options: audio conference, live class, podcast, video conference, webinar. We can do any of these seamlessly. Audio conference doesn't have any cameras, you just talk with your correspondent. Live class, you can hold live classes, share your screen, have other people share their own screen for educational purposes. You can hold your own podcast, have a video conference with your friends, and even do a webinar. In a webinar, only you can share your screen, turn on your camera, talk with your microphone opened. Your attendees can only watch you. Furthermore, you can even have your own contacts and users. Through ProfitSuit Webinars, you can build your own email list. You will get your very own registration page that will then subscribe all of those users that register through your own registration page to you. You can send them emails about meetings and webinars. You can add them to your own autoresponder and so much more. This has been ProfitSuit Webinars. Let's go back and see what is left. Next up, we have ProfitSuit Host, which allows you to host your own website. But not only that, you can host a WordPress website, Joomla, you can host a web app, anything you want. It's your very own one-time payment hosting. Let's just quickly go into it so you can see what I mean. This is our main dashboard. You can see on the left side we have a bunch of different options, mostly everything you can imagine to have at a hosting service. You can have your own email and link it up to even ProfitSuit Contact or to your Outlook, so you can get emails through ProfitSuit Host to your own device. Domains, you can add an unlimited amount of domains, either secondary, pointers, subdomains. You can edit your own DNS records. You don't have to wait for support to do it for you, as it happens with most hosting services. You create your own SSL certificates very easily. You can connect through FTP, MySQL, have access to your own htaccess files, install anything you want with Softaculous, create multiple user accounts. Say if you want to have one of your paying clients, you can create an account for them, restrict them to their own website, and cash in like that. You can see your logs, recent visitors. You have authentication methods if you want to improve the security of your own account. Backups, you can do as many backups as you want and then restore your account from them. You have a bunch of statistics you can go through, and also our very own built-in file manager to handle all of your files, either for the web app, for WordPress, so on and so forth. You can see this is a groundbreaking panel, and we're extremely excited about ProfitSuit Host. However, we still have 2 more apps to check out, so let's go back and quickly go through those as well. Next up, we have ProfitSuit Storage. It's sort of a Google Drive, Dropbox. It just gives you unlimited storage for a very low one-time fee. Let's just quickly go through it so you can understand. So we're on the main dashboard here. You can see I'm already using ProfitSuit Storage for my own use. I have a bunch of videos uploaded here and images. With ProfitSuit Storage, you can also share any image, a sort of like Google Drive, as I said. However, you can password protect all of these files, and you can set an expiration date. Say if you want to improve the security of your files, just throw in a password, make it expire in 1-2 hours, and just like that, your files are more secure. So you just create a link, it instantly gets created. We can then put it in our browser and we'll see this exact image here. And we can see the image right here. Now, if you share an image, it can get downloaded. Your peers do not need to have ProfitSuit Storage. However, you can collaborate with them, same as you would with Google Drive. You can upload files in the same folder, work on files together. Only then will they need a ProfitSuit Storage account. It's fast, it's easy to use. You can use it on your phone. You can upload files from your own phone. You can upload entire folders without a problem. So it's just an amazing tool to have, whatever niche you are in. We have one more app to check out. Let's just go back and see what that is. ProfitSuit Funnels is your very own WordPress website builder. It's extremely easy to use, unlike other website builders, and you have about 24 done for you templates for sales pages for our own products that you can start promoting right away with our very own sales pages that we have spent hundreds of dollars on. Let's quickly go through it. This is a page that was built with ProfitSuit Funnels. You can see everything in here is editable, and you can even use this very page for your own use. You can replace these buttons with your own links, so that way buyers will go through your affiliate link, or even replace this whole button with your own sales page button and sell Control Press alongside 23 other products as your own. You can see right here all of the options you can add. We have everything from text blocks to video players to pie charts and so much more. However, the most interesting part about ProfitSuit Funnels is that you get all of these templates here, both for online and offline. You have personal page, business, startup here, 3 very cool templates, and then you have all of these different products along with their upsells. You can see Mirage Pro, Mirage Done For You, Mirage White Label. So you're also getting their upsells. So you can start promoting them or selling them as your own right away. What's more, you can also edit your own CSS. So you're not just limited to ProfitSuit Funnels features. You can edit your own CSS, add your own flair to everything you're doing in here. This has been ProfitSuit Funnels. Thank you so much for checking out this demo video. I hope you'll take advantage of this one-time bundle, and I can't wait to see you inside.
Again, don't forget to click the first link below this video if you are interested in the ProfitSuit platform and get all these bonuses in addition. And with all that, I'll wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.